Know how to go.
Be the pain, push yourself, find the right fit, put your hands on some cash, and know how to go.
Know how to go.
But Know How to Go brought a different swing to what I do from day to day, because we were able to reach rural kids in the rural area and to see them get motivated and go. It was great.
Know how to go.
There are 4 major steps to attend college through Know How to Go. First, you have to be a pain, meaning that you tell everyone that you know that you are going to college and see how they can help you.
Step 1 is be a pain, let everyone know you're going to college, make connections. An example for me, I wouldn't stop bugging my Know How to Go counselor to help me set up my different applications because I didn't know where I wanted to go at first, and they helped me figure that out.
I always inform my family members that I want to go to college and be something. So every time I tell them, they start to believe me even more and help me and support me and to get in college.
I bugged my fencing coach for a recommendation for my college, which is Columbia University, which has a very good fencing team.
You have to push yourself in high school. Don't take the just general courses, take the hard courses.
Step 2, push yourself. Take the right classes in high school and to get into college. As for me, I take biology 2 and chemistry.
Get into the honors classes if you can. Like me, myself, I work hard just to get in the honors classes so I can look better on my recommendations and everything I need to get into college.
I had the choice to take regular biology, but I took AP biology and I got dual enrollment credits. So I won't have as much time to spend in class in college because I did it in high school.
Find the right fit. We try and encourage them to choose at least 3 colleges to go to see if they have the right program that they would like to matriculate in.
Step 3 is to find the right fit. Which college is best for you? Do you want to go to an online college or big or small? Just find the right fit for you.
To look at all the colleges that you want to go to and to pick the one that best suits your needs, whether it be public, whether it be private, whether it be local or out of state. And for me, the right fit for me would be Columbia University. And I picked this university because it has the right atmosphere, the right environment, and the right student body that seems perfect for me.
I found Southeastern University in Hammond. I feel like that's the best college for me because they have a good biology program for me to attend to.
And then the 4th step is get your hand on some cash. We all know you just can't go to college because you want to. There's a need for money, and we do a financial aid workshop with them, and we try and tell them about scholarships and what have you, try and encourage them to keep their grades up.
The 4th step is put your hands on some cash. This basically means to apply for scholarships. Since I apply for a ton of different scholarships, and you want to apply for a bunch of different scholarships just in case you don't get the ones that you want. And FAFSA is also a good thing because, you know, financial aid can always help.
If you think you can't afford college, think again. There are a lot of different opportunities out there for different people to try. And I did financial aid, and my Know How to Go counselors helped me with a lot of different scholarships.
For example, there are scholarships at my church I'm looking into and working hard to get for my college needs to help me in college.
And you choose what scholarship you would like to apply for. Don't stop at one. Compile your scholarship booklet and just choose as many scholarships as you would like to apply for, because if one doesn't come through, another might. There's not a particular grade point average that you have to work with. The main thing about it is from 8th grade through 12th grade, we implement and we try to encourage them how important it is to succeed beyond high school.
Since they've heard about this program, they really have been totally excited about their education. They can see their future. So with this program in effect, with these 4 kids being in school at one time, that we can look forward to our kids having an education without us having to struggle to send them to school.
Know how to go.
Know how to go.
Know how to go.